Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Imran and today I am going to tell you about adjectives. So first of all, I would like to tell you about the definition of adjective. Adjectives are words used to describe a noun or a pronoun. In other words, adjectives are words that modify, limit, or restrict nouns or pronouns. So the adjectives are those words that tell more about noun or pronoun. Now, the types of adjectives. There are about 7 types of adjectives. The first one is qualitative or descriptive adjective. It is also known as the adjective of quality. The second one is quantitative adjective or the adjective of quantity. The third one is demonstrative adjective. And the fourth one is possessive adjective. Number 5 is interrogative adjective. And the sixth one is distributive adjective. And the last one is compound adjective. Now I am going to discuss these types of adjectives one by one. The first one is qualitative or descriptive adjective. This is also known as the adjective of quality. This adjective is used to describe the quality of a person or thing. For example, its size, general description, age, shape, color, material, origin, and purpose. And the examples of these types of adjectives are tall, excellent, slim, young, square, plastic. If I say tall man, so man is a noun and tall is an adjective. So I am telling you about the quality of that man, that he is tall. So it is qualitative adjective. Now the next type, quantitative adjectives. These adjectives are used to indicate the number or amount of things, and the examples are some, much, little, enough, all, no, any, whole, and several. If I say some money, so in this example, money is a noun and some is an adjective. And this adjective is quantitative adjective because I am telling you about the amount of money, that's some money, the quantity of the money. The next type is demonstrative adjectives. They are used to point out nouns. For example, this, these, that. If I say this book, so in this example, book is a noun and this is an adjective. And it is demonstrative adjective. Now the next type is interrogative adjectives. They are used with noun to ask questions. For example, what, whose, where, why, how, and which. If I say whose pen, so in this example pen is a noun and whose is an adjective. And this adjective has been used to ask the question or to interrogate something. So it is interrogative adjective. Next type is possessive adjectives. They are used to show possession. For example, my, your, his, her, our, their, its. These are the examples. If I say our school, so in this example, school is a noun and our is an adjective. And it is showing the possession, that's why it is known as possessive adjective. The other type is distributive adjectives. They are used to show that the persons or things are counted collectively. They are normally used with singular nouns, as well as they refer to members of a group as individuals. And the examples are each, every, either, and neither. If I say the each student, so in this example, student is a noun and each is an adjective, and this is distributive adjective. Now the other type, it is known as compound adjective. It is made up of two or more words. They are often linked together with hyphens to link the words together to show that it is one adjective. And the examples are lightweight, duty-free, 4-foot, part-time, cold-blooded, well-behaved. You can see the hyphens in these adjectives. For example, if I will say part-time job, so job is a noun and part-time is an adjective. In the same way, cold-blooded animal. So in this example, animal is a noun and cold-blooded is an adjective. And it is compound adjective. So these were the types of adjectives. Now the comparison of adjectives. There are three forms of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. You can say there are 3 degrees of adjectives. For example, good, better, and best. It is the 3 degrees of the same adjective good. For example, if I say a good book, a better book, and a best book, so in these examples I have used these 3 degrees of adjectives or these 3 forms of comparison. So it was today's lecture. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.